Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add rows in Excel with Power Automate Desktop. Welcome to Anonene channel, and hopefully we'll have another great one. So first of all, as from our previous videos, we are still using the sample Excel that we created a couple of moments ago. And as you can see, we are running this Excel called anonene, same as our channel. Go and hit that subscription button, please. It will help us a lot. So what we are going to do, we want to add a row. How does it work in Excel? If we want to do it by the hand, we want to add row number 7. So we are going to click on 7 and click on Insert, and it will create us a new row. But how we can simplify that, how we can make it automatic, for example, every fifth or every, dedicated number that you have in your head, you want to add a row to, for example, fill in additional information, or when you are creating an organization structure, you want to add a new employee, but you have to fill in and add a row because this employee works in a certain department and a certain role, and you really want to pick him on a dedicated spot. We are going to automate that. We are going to simplify that. So once we are tag along with Power Automate, I mean the one in your browser where you are working with, for example, Microsoft Visio and Planner, we can put that into perspective. We can do that automatically and make your HR department happy, and we are going to lock in your raise since you saved basically a lot of money doing this automation. I'm not gonna lie, this is kinda my bread right now. So enough talking. We are about to add a row somewhere in between. First of all, we have attached to running Excel. This obviously works, and we want to add row between these anonene options. So what we are going to do, first of all, we have to get the number of rows that we already have. So we are going to use get first free row on a column of the Excel sheet. So Excel instance is the variable that we are using in the first step, column number A. So A is the first letter of the alphabet, and we are going to hit that save button. So once we are running this Power Automate flow, we see that we have 13 filled in rows in column number 1. So first free row on column is 14. Let's check it out. Yeah, it is indeed 14. But we want to add a row. Power Automate is very generous with this option, with insert row to Excel worksheet. We can get it in here. Row index will be first free row on a column. But this won't do a thing because it will just add another row behind 14. So it will going to create the 15th one. We need to get some kind of integer. So we want to create a new one, which is 7 or 8. It doesn't actually matter. So this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So what we are going to address is variable will look like this. First free row on column minus 6, because that is the amount of rows that we want to, well, not skip, but we want to, let's call, ignore them. Insert row, and we can now run the flow. And as you can see, we just added a new row to this automation. That's how you can easily add rows into your Excel sheets. Just remember, this doesn't really have to be first free row. It can be more complicated. You can really, for example, search for dedicated value or a really dedicated bank, and then you can just address this. I know how does it. What's the name? This cell, yeah. You can address this cell and enter the right information, right number, right metrics into the cell. So that's about it, guys. Hopefully I helped you, and hopefully you will also stick around for more. Well, you will stick around for more Power Automate desktop, and not only desktop, but also Power Automate options in this channel. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.